and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia, here with another video. First things first, let's do some house cleaning. Your girl is at 200 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I am truly grateful. I also want to say thank you for just being a part of the Good Girlfriend gang. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Let's keep growing. If you're watching my channels, if you're watching my videos and you liking your girl, go ahead and subscribe. Help me to just continue to grow. And let's get into this video. So, like I said, Cocotique sent us a box for the November subscription box, which I'm not mad at. We usually get a bag. The bags be cute little tote bags, but how many of those tote bags can you really use? Like, for real, let's be honest. So to have a little box, something different, I'm okay with that. So if you're not familiar, Cocotique is a monthly subscription box. It's $25 a month, and their focus is self-care. It is for Black women, and it was created by a Black woman, which I absolutely love. Cocotique is my baby. This is probably my favorite subscription box that I've been getting of all times. So let's see what we got. So this is what we're looking like on the inside. We got our card and our products. And this month is a takeover by Designessentials, which I'm excited about that. Designessentials is kind of like quality, higher end type products. For me, they is. So I'm super excited about it. And there's a product in this box that I've been dying to try. So I'm over the moon excited about that. So let's get into it. So it says Designessentials Almond and Avocado Collection. Fall in love with Almond and Avocado Collection, created to restore moisture by deeply hydrating your strands while defining curls and locking in moisture. This nourishing collection uses the power of almond and avocado oils to nourish while fighting frizz and leaves hair soft with a gorgeous natural sheen. Perfect for defined waves, curls, or coils that's sure to last. So if you haven't noticed, like if you noticed in my videos, I haven't really been wearing curls. My hair, I've been wearing waves. I did cut my hair back in October, and I started wearing like a lower brushed wave look. I've fallen in love with that. So that's what your girl been rocking. I need a haircut right now, so it's looking rough, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm rocking the waves. So let's see. The first thing that we have is the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. This is a full size product. It is 7.5 fluid ounces. This is $15.99. So it says make the curls pop. Make the curls pop in an instant. This lightweight foam turns up curls definition, separate curls, and reduces frizz on all curl types. I'm super excited about this. I've seen this in Sally's. I've probably seen it in other stores, but I know for sure I've seen it in Sally Beauty. I've been wanting to try this mousse, and now that I'm wearing my hair on a more wavier side, I definitely want to try this mousse. I want to see if I can set my hair with it and style it. I'm definitely going to be doing a video with this mousse, so stay tuned for that. I know I haven't been doing a lot of hair videos, and that's because my hair is short, but I have been getting a lot of questions about my hair. So stay tuned for the hair video, and it will be using this mousse. Next, we have the Almond and Avocado Moisture Primer Styling Pre-Styling Whip. It is, this is also another full-size product. This is 12 ounces for $12.99. It says, this is your styling prep with extra moisture. You'll love this ultra-rich, moisturizing, and lightweight priming cream that quenches dry hair. This was specially made to deliver the nourishing properties of almond and avocado that coat and strengthen strands before styling, and a little goes a long way. So I'm definitely excited to try this to see if it'll add some moisture, if it'll also help to lay my hair down, because now when I style my hair, I want it to lay down. I want my waves to pop and still look nice and juicy and all that other stuff. So I'm definitely going to try this when I try the mousse to see if I like it. Okay, now we have the almond and avocado moisturizing and detangling sulfate-free shampoo. So this is 4 fluid ounces. I doubt if this is a full size. The full size is 12 ounces. We couldn't get a full size. The full size is $11.99. It says this gentle cleansing shampoo is infused with moisturizing almond and avocado. An additional blend of nourishing botanicals works to hydrate, soften, and detangle all textures. I don't need all that in my shampoo. All I need my shampoo to do is clean my hair without stripping it. And especially now the way I'm wearing my hair, I need to make sure that it gets rid of buildup. So this is like a gentle cleanser. So I don't know if it's going to do all that. But we'll see. I don't know. I might give this away. Speaking of giveaways, I know that I was saying I was going to do a giveaway for $250. I still might. I'm not quite sure just yet. I'll see when I get the $250, you know, what my thought process is, because I don't want people subscribing to my channel just for the sake of thinking that they're going to get something. I want organic followers. I want people to follow my channel because they enjoy my content, or, you know, they really just truly want to support me. So we'll see. I'll see, you know, if I want to do a giveaway in the future or not. I still might. I just don't know how, when, the particulars about it, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Next, I have the almond and avocado leave-in conditioner. Again, this is not full size. This is not full size. This is 4 fluid ounces. You usually get 12 for $12.99. It says this moisturizing leave-in is enriched with almond, avocado, jojoba oils, plus nutrient-packed botanicals. This nourishing formula penetrates strands quickly to soften and smooth the cuticle for easy detangling and ultimate frizz control. This is definitely, I got enough leave-ins. So this would be something that I wouldn't mind gifting or giving away to somebody who need a leave-in, especially if it's someone whose hair is longer and they need to detangle. I'll definitely gift that to them. And then last, we have the Design Essentials Scalp and Skincare. I didn't know Design Essentials has skincare. Detoxifying tonic. This is eucalyptus and lemon with witch hazel peppermint oil. That's a lot of words for one product. All right. And there's a lot of words on this card. Pray with me as we try to get through reading this. This is 4 ounces, $8.99. So this is a full-size product. And I already know that this would be something that I will probably give away or gift to somebody, because this is for someone who protective styles. I think that this would be great for them, and I don't know if I will put this on my skin. But let me read the card. Let me read the card. When your skin needs a fresh start, begin beautifully with our Design Essentials Scalp and Skin Care Detoxifying Tonic. The eucalyptus and lemon in this detox goes to work. Okay. It's a skin and scalp solution that helps to cleanse and remove dirt particles, all without water or shampooing. Yeah, that wouldn't work for me. This detoxifying tonic helps to cleanse product buildup and excess oils that causes common scalp and skin irritation with no drying feeling afterwards. Perfect for locks, braids, wigs, bow wig, extensions, and other protective styles. When I was reading the card, that whole dissertation that they put, I was wondering if my boyfriend can use this on his beard, because it's like skin and hair. So I wonder if we can like put this, like if you want to do a little situation with the beard. I don't know. He don't really care about skincare stuff like that. I'll ask him. If not, I'll give it to somebody that wears braids or has locks or something like that. So that is it. That is all that we have in November's Cocotique box. It was cute. It was cute. Like I said, I definitely plan on doing the almond and avocado mousse and the pre-styling whip. I definitely plan on trying those, and I will be doing a video for that. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of these products. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.